Hey guys, sorry about the noise in the background. There's a party going on, but I just wanted to quickly show you this cake. I just finished taking a couple pictures, so that's why there's green tissue in the background. But I just wanted to quickly show you this cake that I made for my grandson. It's a Mario Kart Luigi Mario birthday cake. These are toys, obviously, that we put on that are part of his present. This is a remote control car that goes up the wall or something, so we've added that on instead of making it out of gum paste and fondant and such. So the edible parts is the board. Obviously, the kids actually keep grabbing these and eating them. And there's an 8-inch vanilla with tie-dye inside, a 6-inch 3-layer chocolate cake, and then another tie-dye 4-inch on top, which is the pipe. So that is the latest cake. It's a 12-inch board as well, and I have it obviously not sitting center so that we could make space for the car. And I can't turn it all the way around because of the wall, but you get the idea. That's the latest cake. We're just taking it up now to sing happy birthday and everything and have cake. And I will put some footage in at the end after we cut it so you can see inside. There's a tutorial. I have another video that's a tutorial on how to make the tie-dye cake, and I will put the link in the description below. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ari. Happy birthday to you.
Just let him finish opening his thing and then he'll fix it.
Grandma buys the best present.
Mom, what's the best way to do that? Take the small part off?
It's better to take them apart first.
I'll take the,
Do you have a place to put them on?
I'll put it on here.
Okay.
This is vanilla.
Here, separate onto this.
No, I'm just saying maybe I'll just take this home, like the small part.
Oh.
Yeah. Is there a stick or anything?
Is it pulling it off? Oh, so you took it out right off the whole base. Because I used some royal icing to stick it on.
You need to share first and foremost.